Availability at Rusco House is limited, so book now and enjoy the comforts of a home for less than the price of a hotel room. Rusco House combines the comforts of a home with the convenience of a dockland setting. The house has a lovely homely feel, and guests have full use of a large kitchen, separate living area, a patio and lawn garden, and a reserved parking space. Larger groups can also be easily accommodated by using the comfortable, premium quality sofa bed that's provided. Guests are welcome to cook or prepare food in our well-equipped kitchen, featuring a range hob and extractor hood, electric oven, microwave, dishwasher, washer-dryer and integrated fridge-freezer. All cutlery, crockery and kitchen utensils are provided. There are 3 bedrooms on the first floor that sleep 5 guests. The bathroom at Rusco House allows guests to relax in the bathtub or to enjoy a powerful, refreshing shower. Your host has invested in hotel-quality silent night beds, and the bedrooms are arranged as 1 double bedroom with comfortable twin single beds and plenty of storage available inside the full-length mirrored wardrobe. 1 double bedroom with a comfortable double bed and storage available in a built-in wardrobe. 1 single bedroom with a comfortable single bed, storage available in a built-in wardrobe, and a lovely garden view. Guests are welcome to park on the drive and make use of Canning Town's excellent road links. Or, if public transport is preferred, then Canning Town Station is just 5 minutes away for the Jubilee Line and Docklands Light Railway. Availability at Rusco House is limited, so book now and enjoy the comforts of a home for less than the price of a hotel room.